Good morning, dear children. I am Pragati Mishra, English teacher of NLK Group of Schools. Children, today is our language turn, so we will learn a new chapter in language. Which is the chapter? Chapter number 2, subject and predicate. Listen to these sentences. The driver stopped the car. Now tell me, who stopped the car? The driver. The cat drank the milk. Who drank the milk? The answer is the cat. So children, subject is the person or thing in a sentence that is being spoken about. You can identify a subject in a sentence by asking questions like who or what. For example, the watch has a black dial. What has a black dial? The watch. So the watch is the subject. My father went to Dehradun. Who went to Dehradun? My father. So my father is the subject. Children, in some cases, if a sentence is a command or a request, then the subject is not stated. For example, go there. Go there is a command. Who should go there? The answer is you, which is implied in the question. Hence, the subject is you. Children, predicate. Let's learn about predicate. Predicate is the part of the sentence that tells us what the subject does or what the subject is. For example, the boy blew the whistle. So children, what is the predicate in this sentence? The answer is blew the whistle, because it tells us what the subject does. You can also identify the predicate by finding out the part of the sentence that contains verb, or any action. In some cases, the predicate does not have any action, but it tells us what the subject is, was, or were, or what the subject has or had. For example, Rahul is an intelligent boy. So, predicate is an intelligent boy, because it tells us what the subject is. Then another sentence, Rahul has a younger brother. So the predicate is has a younger brother, because it tells what the subject has. So children, that was all. I hope you have understood what the subject is, what the predicate is. Learn the definition. Subject is the person or thing that is being spoken about is the subject, and predicate is the part of the sentence that tells us what the subject does or is. So learn the definition and practice all the sentences and exercises in the book. I hope you have understood. Thank you. That's all for today.